Have you ever stopped to wonder, why does the universe exist at all? Why are the laws of physics so perfectly balanced to allow life? What if the answer has been staring us in the face all along? You. Some of the world's top scientists and philosophers are now exploring a mind-blowing idea. Consciousness, the very thing that lets you experience the world, might not just be a part of the universe. It could be the key to its very creation. If that sounds impossible, buckle up, because we're about to dive into one of the most fascinating mysteries of existence. Scientists have long been baffled by the fine-tuning of the universe. Take the electromagnetic force. It's so precisely calibrated that it allows stars to form elements like carbon, essential for life. And the strong nuclear force? A tiny change would have created a universe with no hydrogen or no stars at all. If even one of 12 cosmic parameters was slightly different, life wouldn't exist. It's as if the universe is a puzzle that's been perfectly designed for life to emerge. But is this just a coincidence? Or does something deeper hint that the universe was made to be observed? We live in a universe where not just life, but intelligent observers came into being. Could it all have happened randomly? Or is there something fundamental about consciousness itself? These questions drive physicists to their limits. It's like the universe was tailored to be noticed by conscious beings like us. But could this really be random luck? Or is there a hidden mechanism behind it tied to consciousness? This brings us to the Anthropic principle. It's a bold idea suggesting that the universe is fine-tuned for life because we're here to notice it. Imagine being at a party with a cake that's your exact favorite flavor. It feels custom-made, but maybe you're just at the right party. The weak version of the Anthropic principle says the universe's conditions allow life by chance. The stronger version hints life was inevitable. But what if consciousness does more than just exist? What if it actively shapes reality? Some scientists even argue that if conditions weren't perfect, consciousness couldn't arise. But what if consciousness is so fundamental that it's actually influencing those very conditions? Ever feel like you're in a cosmic video game? Maybe reality isn't just out there. Maybe you're influencing the entire game with every move. Let's dig deeper. Consciousness, it's a mystery scientists and philosophers can't fully explain. Is it just neurons firing in your brain, or something more fundamental? Some radical thinkers suggest it's not the brain that produces consciousness at all. Instead, your mind could be like a radio, tuning into a signal already out there, a signal woven into the fabric of the universe itself. Could consciousness be a force that creates reality, not just observes it? Now this is where things get wild. Quantum physics, the science of the unimaginably small, has shown us that particles behave differently when observed. Could our consciousness be doing more than just looking? Could it be shaping reality itself? Enter John Archibald Wheeler's participatory universe. Wheeler suggested that particles don't even exist in a defined state until observed. His famous double-slit experiment showed that light behaves like particles, or waves, depending on how it's watched. Wheeler pushed this further, proposing that observation doesn't just reveal reality, it creates it. Imagine if the universe only becomes real when you look at it. Are we conjuring reality from the void every time we observe? Quantum physics suggests that reality isn't as fixed as we think. Without observation, particles remain in a cloud of probabilities. It's like the universe itself is waiting for a conscious mind to bring it into existence. But wait, does this mean the past isn't even real until we look at it? That's right. Observation today could be shaping events that happened billions of years ago. Welcome to the cosmic paradox. Wheeler didn't stop there. He imagined light traveling from a distant quasar around a galaxy, creating two paths. Whether the light behaves like particles or waves depends on our observation. This means our choices now affect events from the ancient past. It's like time itself bends to consciousness. Reality doesn't exist in any fixed form. It only solidifies when we observe it. Could consciousness have played a role in the universe's evolution all along? Now take this even further. Some theories suggest consciousness isn't just observing the universe, it could be creating it from scratch. Enter Hugh Everett's many worlds theory. Every quantum decision, every observation splits the universe into multiple versions. In one, you chose vanilla ice cream, in another, chocolate. Both realities exist, but you only experience one. What if your consciousness selects the version of reality you live in? Could the universe be branching endlessly because of our conscious choices? Each decision we make could shape a new version of the universe. If so, we're not just passengers in this cosmic journey, we're navigators steering reality itself. If this is true, then you don't just live in the universe, you're steering its course. But how far does this power go? If Wheeler's participatory universe and Everett's multiverse ideas are correct, then we're not passive spectators. Consciousness actively shapes the cosmos. Without observers, the universe might remain a cloud of probabilities. But our thoughts collapse that cloud into the reality we experience. It's a breathtaking idea. We are creators of reality itself, woven into the universe's very structure. So, what does this mean for us? Are we just atoms following cosmic laws? Or are we the architects of a conscious universe, creating reality with every thought and observation? If the universe truly needs us to exist, then our lives and our choices matter in ways we can barely comprehend. Every time you look at the stars or make a decision, you could be shaping reality itself. Thanks for watching. If this exploration into the unknown has sparked your curiosity, be sure to check out my other videos. The mysteries of the universe are only beginning to unravel, and I've got a whole series waiting for you. Click the link on screen to dive deeper into the secrets of the cosmos, and make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. See you there.